About it. No one knows you.
Yeah, I know, exactly.
No, we're not gonna do that.
Get those boobs! I wish I had a stroller like that. With a motor on it. Ante up, Bob. Ante up.